Hi, this is Paula from IFAS Extension, Hillsborough County. We're getting close to the rainy season, and I want to make sure our rain shutoff device or rain sensor is in good working condition. I use a basic two-step process to check a rain sensor. You'll typically find the rain sensor installed near the roof line or mounted above the garage. Nothing should obstruct the rain falling onto the sensor. Most likely, you'll need a ladder to reach your sensor. We do. Ours is attached to an archway over the Betty S. Walker Discovery Garden. An irrigation station or zone needs to be watering or operating to check the rain sensor. You can do this by turning the dial to the manual position and then initiate the startup. Check your irrigation controller manual for the start procedure if you're not sure how to do that. You need to see the zone watering while you're standing on the ladder, so choose a zone close to the rain sensor. Once the system is on, climb up the ladder. On the top is a button or spindle. Ours has a spindle. Press your finger on the spindle. If your rain sensor is working correctly, the zone that is irrigating will turn off. When you remove your finger, the spindle will pop back up and allow watering to start again. If the zone doesn't shut off or shuts off but doesn't come back on, there's a problem. Remove the cap of the rain sensor and look at the cork discs. They should be in a separated state, moving individually when gently shaken. Corks have an average lifespan of 1 to 3 years. The type of weather discs are exposed to determines how long they last. The expansion during rain and contraction from the sun's heat ages the cork material. Later, I'll bring the rain sensor inside where you'll have a better view. For safety reasons, we find it best to remove the wireless rain sensor from its location when batteries need to be changed. Notice that I must press on the lever to release the bottom of the sensor housing. Carefully remove the circuit board. Take off the battery cap. The Irritrol RS1000 has 2 batteries that need to be replaced. After putting in fresh batteries, put the battery cover back on. This model has grooves inside the housing to align and reinsert the circuit board. Once the board sits correctly inside, snap the bottom back in place. You're looking at 2 corks, one old and one new. You can see the difference between a fresh cork and an old cork. This old cork is moldy and the discs are smaller. They might not swell enough to press on the switch that interrupts the electrical circuit to prevent irrigation. This moldy cork needs to be replaced. Then remount the sensor in the same place. Make sure when putting the sensor back that you tighten it, but not too tight. Remember to check your rain sensor periodically. Improper irrigation can cause plant and pest issues and waste water. For every 1,000 square feet you're irrigating, you will save 2,541 gallons of water a year when you ensure your rain sensor is operational. If your rain sensor does not stop your irrigation system from watering when the button or spindle on the top of the rain sensor cap is pressed, or if it does stop but will not begin watering again when you lift your finger, call us. We can walk you through some different checks that might uncover why the rain sensor is not functioning and give you some tips to correct it.